This is a function outer. It takes an argument x. In this, we have an inner function. This prints the value of x. Outer then returns inner. We call it with the value 7 and assign this call to the name func. Then we make a call to func and we get 7. But how did this happen? We were done executing outer. So how does func remember that x is 7? Well, in a closure, some data gets attached to code and is then remembered even when the variable goes out of scope. Here, inner could read x but cannot modify it. So check out this one. In outer, result is 0. Inner declares that result is non-local. While n is greater than 0, it multiplies it by x, adds this to result, and decrements n. Then inner returns result. And then outer returns inner. So when func is outer of 7, func of 3 is 42. And when func is outer of 3, func of 3 is 18. Let's take one more. Outer takes a function, inner takes a message, inner makes a call to func on message, outer returns inner. The function say hi takes a message and prints it. Let's call outer on the function say hi and call it myfunc. Myfunc of hello now prints out hello.